There's a new concept spreading through the AI space right now called an agent OS. And once you see what it actually does, you'll understand why people are calling it the biggest shift in how we use AI since agents themselves showed up. Imagine every single AI agent you own, all sitting on one screen, all working together, instead of being scattered across 10 different tabs and tools. That's exactly what's happening right now, and today I'm breaking down exactly what it is and how it works. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's the idea behind an Agent OS. Instead of jumping between separate tools for research, writing, image generation, coding, and outreach, everything gets pulled into one single dashboard, almost like a mission control screen for your entire AI setup. And the wild part is, you don't need some crazy expensive machine to run it, you just need a CLI you probably already have. If you've got a Claude subscription, you can plug the Claude CLI straight into a setup like this, and that's basically your foundation. Inside a setup like this, one of the core pieces is what's essentially a group chat, but for AI agents instead of people. Multiple agents sit in the same room and they bounce ideas off each other, pitch on things, poke holes in each other's suggestions, and refine ideas before anything gets built. So you could type in one simple request, like come up with a tool that helps automate a specific task for your business, and one agent pitches an idea, another agent critiques it, another one fixes the weak points, and then it gets sent straight into a build pipeline where you approve the plan and it just gets built. That's the idea to finish product pipeline running almost entirely on its own. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's a piece of this that I think is genuinely one of the most useful parts, and that's live content generation. Picture a system that pulls in whatever's trending right now, live, and turns it straight into content for you. Something's popping off on X or in the news, and within seconds, you've got a post written, personalized to your brand, ready to publish straight to your website. No logging in anywhere, no manually formatting anything. You're publishing about what's hot today while it's still hot, which matters a lot more than most people realize, because timing is basically everything when it comes to writing a trend for traffic. Then there's the voice layer, which honestly feels like something out of a movie. You just talk to it out loud and it responds in real time. Say, open up a certain tool and it opens it. Say, build me a landing page that explains a certain offer and it goes and builds it and saves it directly into your workspace. And you can even set it up with a wake word. So it's just sitting there on a screen all day, ready the second you need it, like having an assistant on standby. Now, here's something that really stood out to me, and it's the memory side of all this. There's a memory graph running quietly in the background the entire time. Every interaction gets logged automatically. Your agents update it, your agents organize it, and you never have to touch it yourself. So when you ask a question like, what should I work on next? It's not giving you some generic answer pulled from nowhere. It already knows your entire situation, your projects, what you've built, what you've said in the past, and it gives you a real personalized answer based on all of that. And this is where the bigger picture really comes together. Setups like this aren't relying on just one single model doing everything. It's a team of different models working together, each one assigned to what it's actually good at. Need something fast? You call the fast model. Need something thought through properly? You call the more capable one. That's honestly the whole lesson buried inside this trend. One agent working alone is fine, but a team of agents working together, checking each other, building on each other's ideas, that's a completely different level of output. There's also a piece some of these setups include that works almost like a brainstorming room built into the dashboard. You type a question at the bottom and it generates whatever you're asking for and drops it straight into your workspace. People have used this to spin up entire mini projects in one click, things that would normally take hours of manually wiring up an API just to test an idea. Most people are never going to bother messing around with raw APIs to try something like that. So having it sit behind one simple button changes who actually gets to experiment with this stuff. And every build gets saved automatically. So you can put together a whole leaderboard of everything you've made, open it up later, compare different versions side by side, and actually judge the output for yourself instead of just taking someone's word for what's good. What's also interesting is how this solves a problem almost everyone building with AI has run into. You build something impressive with an AI tool and then it just disappears, buried in some old chats you can never find again. In a setup like this, every model gets its own dedicated workspace, so everything you've ever built with it just sits there waiting for you. Come back weeks later and it's still there, ready to use or compare side by side. On top of that, a lot of these setups run separate agent profiles tied to different APIs, so you're not stuck using one model for everything. There's usually a studio section too for images, video, and voice, so instead of jumping between 5 different apps to produce content, it all lives in the same place. Right brain for the right job, as some people put it, where each model handles exactly the part it's actually strong at, instead of you forcing one model to do everything mediocre. And it's not just content and ideas either. People are plugging entire workflows into these systems now. Things like keyword research pulled straight from real search data, automated outreach campaigns that find and validate leads, write full email sequences, and manage replies, all sitting inside the same dashboard. Tasks that used to eat hours of a person's week gone permanently, not because they got faster, but because they simply never have to be done manually again. That's really the whole point behind this shift. It's not about doing tasks quicker. It's about identifying everything that eats your time or your team's time and building it once into a system so you never have to think about it again. And the setups people are running this on aren't some massive server farm either. We're talking a normal laptop, one CLI, and a handful of connected agents working as a tiny team that can genuinely build almost anything. So, if you've been feeling like your AI tools are scattered everywhere with no real system tying them together, this is exactly the kind of shift worth paying attention to right now, because this agent OS trend is moving fast, and the people building these setups early are the ones who are going to be miles ahead of everyone else in just a few months. This isn't some far off concept either, it's already running, already producing real content, real leads, and real automated workflows for the people using it today. And that gap between the people who set this up now and the people who wait is only going to get wider from here. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.